Hi, I'm back again. Welcome back to my channel Nas Bakes and Cooks. Today I've come up again with a very special dessert. So I would like to request you to please watch my video patiently till the end. So let's get started now. Here I have taken around 40 pieces of cookies. You can take any cookies of your choice. I'm going to crush the cookies now. In order to cut short of my time, I'm going to crush them in the grinder. In this way, I've crushed them. Now into this, I'm going to add around 50 grams of butter, which I've already melted. And I'm going to combine the two ingredients very thoroughly. They are well combined, so now let's start the preparation. Here I've taken one tray, and on top of this I'm going to place this 6-inch ring, and into this I'm going to drop the cookie and the butter mixture to form the base. With the help of this spoon, the back side of the spoon, I'm going to press it and level it evenly on all the sides. It's done. So now I'm going to pop this inside the fridge and keep it for around 20 minutes to let it set. In the meantime, let's start with our next ingredients. Here I have some avocados. I'm going to use only one. I'm going to cut into two parts and take out the flesh of the fruit. I'm going to scoop it out with the help of this spoon. It's very easy to scoop it out like that with the help of a spoon. I'm going to scoop out everything so that nothing goes to waste. Now let's smash it with the help of this spoon. You can see they are nicely mashed. Now let's keep this aside and take a saucepan. Let me tell you what are the ingredients that I'll be using. Here I have some homemade cheese cream. I have already uploaded a video on how to make it, so you can go to my link and check it out. Into this I've added 200 ml of fresh milk. Now I add 2 tablespoons of agar-agar powder. I'm going to add around 4 tablespoons of sugar. Sugar you can add as per your taste. I'm also going to add around 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now let's place it on the stove and cook. I'm keeping the flame on medium. Please don't forget to stir it continuously so that it will not clump up at the bottom. I'm going to cook till the agar-agar powder is completely dissolved into the liquid. Now into this I'm going to add around 400 grams of homemade cheese cream. Now let's cook this for around 2 minutes. Here I add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Altogether I have cooked for 4 minutes, 2 minutes after adding the agar-agar powder and another 2 minutes after adding the homemade cheese cream. So altogether it's 4 minutes. Now I'm going to add the avocado pulp. Wow, just look at the bright color of the fruit. So fascinating, isn't it? I'm going to combine all the ingredients and cook for another 1 minute. So altogether, I have cooked for 5 minutes. You can see it has started boiling. So now I'm going to remove the pan from the stove. I'm giving a final mix so that nothing settles down at the bottom. Let's go and check whether the base has set or not. Yes, it's nicely set. Now I'm going to pour the cheese cream mixture on top of this. I'm just in love with the bright color of the fruit. So beautiful. Now I'm going to pop this inside the fridge and keep it for around 2 hours until it's nicely set. So after 2 hours, this is the outcome. It's nicely set. Now I'm going to pour some salted caramel sauce on top of this. I have already uploaded a video on how to make this caramel sauce. You can go to my channel and check it out from there. Now I'm going to pop this inside the fridge and keep it once again for around an hour to let the caramel sauce set nicely. So after an hour, I've taken out just now. Let's unmold the ring. Here is the cheese cream. It's ready to be served. I'll zoom and show you how does it look. Wow, so beautiful. And look at the glaze. Doesn't it look like a glass? It tastes wonderful and it's so, buttery, creamy. I just love the taste of the caramel sauce with the cheese cream. I'll cut a slice of it and show you how does it look. Look at this. So perfectly made, isn't it? So if you like watching my video, please give a thumbs up, share, and subscribe. And yes, please do comment also. And please don't forget to press the bell icon so that whenever I upload any new videos, you'll get the notifications. Thank you so much for watching my video patiently till the end.